Cryptocurrency mining is the process of verifying transactions and adding them to the blockchain, a decentralized digital ledger that records every transaction on a network. This process involves solving complex mathematical equations to secure the network and earn rewards in the form of cryptocurrency. In this video, we'll explore how cryptocurrency mining works, including the hardware and software used, the difficulty level of the mathematical problems, and the competitive nature of mining in today's market. We'll also examine some real-world examples of cryptocurrency mining and its impact on the global economy. Don't miss out on the latest updates and insights. Hit that subscribe and like button now to stay tuned for more informative and exciting content. Cryptocurrency mining is the process of verifying transactions and adding them to the blockchain, a decentralized digital ledger that records every transaction on a network. The process involves solving complex mathematical equations to secure the network and earn rewards in the form of cryptocurrency. To mine cryptocurrency, a miner needs a computer with specialized mining software, a strong internet connection, and a lot of computing power. Miners compete to solve mathematical problems using their computing power, and the first one to solve the problem is rewarded with new cryptocurrency. Mining software is the backbone of the cryptocurrency mining process. It is responsible for connecting miners to the network and enabling them to solve mathematical equations. There are different types of mining software available, but the most popular ones are CG Miner and BFG Miner. These software programs enable miners to connect to the network and solve mathematical problems to earn rewards. The internet connection is also critical for mining cryptocurrency. The miner needs to be connected to the network to be able to solve mathematical equations and earn rewards. A strong and stable internet connection is necessary to ensure that the miner can stay connected to the network and receive updates about the transactions that need to be verified. The mining software uses the computer's processing power to solve mathematical equations, which are designed to be difficult and time-consuming. These equations are called hash functions, and they require miners to find a unique input that matches a given output. The hash function is a mathematical equation that takes an input and generates an output. The output is a unique string of characters that is specific to the input. In cryptocurrency mining, miners are required to find an input that generates a specific output. This process is known as hashing. The hashing process is designed to be difficult to ensure that it takes a significant amount of computing power to solve a hash function. The difficulty level of the hash function is adjusted regularly to ensure that it takes an average of 10 minutes to solve a hash function. This ensures a predictable rate of new cryptocurrency generation and prevents the network from being overwhelmed by too many miners. Miners also use specialized hardware called ASICs, or application-specific integrated circuits, which are designed specifically for mining cryptocurrency. These ASICs are optimized for solving hash functions and can significantly increase a miner's chances of earning rewards. Some of the most popular ASICs are made by Bitmain, a Chinese company that dominates the cryptocurrency mining hardware market. As more miners join the network, the difficulty of the mathematical problems increases to maintain the rate at which new cryptocurrency is generated. This makes it harder and more competitive for miners to earn rewards. The difficulty level of the hash function is adjusted every 2016 blocks, which takes around 2 weeks. If the network detects that blocks are being generated too quickly, it will increase the difficulty level to make the process more challenging. Conversely, if blocks are being generated too slowly, the difficulty level will be decreased to make the process easier. In addition to earning rewards for verifying transactions, miners also earn transaction fees. These fees are paid by users to prioritize their transactions on the network. Miners can choose which transactions to prioritize based on the fees that are offered. Cryptocurrency mining has become increasingly competitive and complex over time. In the early days of cryptocurrency, anyone with a computer could mine cryptocurrency and earn rewards. However, as the network has grown and more miners have joined, the difficulty level of the hash functions has increased, making it much harder to earn rewards. Today, most cryptocurrency mining is done by large mining pools, which are groups of miners who combine their computing power to increase their chances of earning rewards. These mining pools are often located in countries with low electricity costs, such as China and Iceland, as electricity is one of the biggest expenses associated with mining cryptocurrency. In conclusion, cryptocurrency mining is a complex and competitive process that requires significant computing power, specialized hardware and software, and a strong internet connection. The difficulty level of the mathematical problems is adjusted regularly to maintain a predictable rate of new cryptocurrency generation, and miners earn rewards in the form of cryptocurrency and transaction fees for verifying transactions on the network. While the process of mining cryptocurrency has become increasingly difficult and competitive over time, it has also become an important aspect of the global economy, with large mining pools located around the world driving innovation and growth in the industry. As the world continues to embrace cryptocurrency, it will be interesting to see how mining evolves and adapts to new technologies and challenges in the years ahead. Thank you for watching. Don't miss out on the latest updates and insights. Hit that subscribe button now to stay tuned for more informative and exciting content.